Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by declaring the minimal working pieces so the pipeline runs predictably. First, add a trigger and limit it to the branch or PR pattern you need. This avoids wasting CI minutes. Next, pick a pool image that matches your build environment because the agent determines available tools. Finally, declare variables and mark secrets. Once done, reuse those names in jobs and steps to keep the YAML DRY and maintainable. Now split work into jobs and stages to run things in parallel or sequentially. You create steps inside a job, either script lines or built-in tasks, and include inputs and display names so logs are readable. This helps debug failures fast. If you need reuse, move common steps into templates and reference them. Once templates exist, changes propagate. Also, use depends on and condition to control order and handle success versus failure flows. Finish by publishing artifacts and wiring up service connections for deployments. Make sure secrets reference secure variables or key vault. Then add conditions, retry policies, and resource limits to make the pipeline resilient. Run the YAML linter or the pipeline's validation before committing. If things go wrong, increase task verbosity, inspect the agent logs, and validate the schema line by line. This reveals mismatched indentation, wrong types, or missing service permissions, so you can fix the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.